Hello, welcome to another one of my videos. This is my new purchase. It's a lathe. It's made by Boxford and the model is a BUD MK. This lathe was made on the 11th of January 1970. It's a fantastic machine. It's in lovely condition and I've just assembled it dry just to make sure that all the parts are here and we're not missing anything.
What is it used for?
Okay, it's used for cutting metal, wood, brass, bronze, anything you want to cut. This revolves here, you put your job in here and your cutter, which is here, makes threads or cuts or chamfers, anything you want to do. It can make anything out of metal or even wood. You could make a bowl out of this. You could actually make a bowl by cutting with a chisel and making a nice bowl.
Will it work on a 240 volt plug?
Okay, it won't work on a 240 volt plug because this at the moment is a 3-phase system, which means it's set up for a factory. 3-phase means your normal house works on a 240 volt, but a factory will work on a 3-phase. It's got 2 lives and 1 negative. We work on a one live, 1 negative, so I have to use an inverter to convert it to work on a 240 volt system.
Will it be staying in the kitchen?
It won't be staying in the kitchen. Now I've put it all together and found out that it's all intact and complete, I'll be moving it down to the workshop in the next day or so.
And which part of it do you like best?
I like the tool part here, at the top here. This tool part, if you undo it here, you can move the tools so that the cutting edges can be changed, different types of cut into your metal. Let me just do a quick shout out to Finley, who's probably watching this video. He's a young lad. He's sitting next to his dad, Adrian. You're right, Finley. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And any people that have subscribed to me from Teapot One, I appreciate it. Hopefully we'll do another video together very soon. Esme, what do you know about Boxford lathes?
Well, Boxford Lathe was a brand of lathes produced by Denford Machine Tools from 1946 to 1952. The original factory was in Halifax, West Yorkshire. In 1952, the founder, Horace Denford, sold the company. In December 2011, Boxford Lathes moved from its original home at Box Tree Mills in Halifax to a custom-built new factory in Eland. As of autumn 2018, Boxfords are due to relocate their factory, although where is not yet public knowledge.
Fantastic.
But their current building is now up for sale.
Brilliant. Okay, so you know a little bit about Boxfords. This one has got its original motor just here. There's your 3-phase motor. That's got to be rewired to 240 volts using an inverter. Here all your pulleys on here. So you've got your pulleys here as well. Over this side is a little tool chest, just to keep your tools. That's a lubricator for cooling the job, e.g. if you're cutting metal, you can put a water stroke oil solution in this and it will pump it onto the metal to cool it as you stop and you start. Now let me just ask, Esme, you seem to know quite a lot. Is there anything else you want to know about the Boxford lathe?
I've got one last question.
What's that?
What's that knob do at the back?
I just do the videos.